Welcome to the world of EVs, cars of the future. India is at a threshold of an EV revolution. When you think of buying an EV, common concerns may pop up in your mind. What is EV's range in actual driving conditions? How will I charge my EV? It must be very complex. How much time does it take to charge? Will EVs run out of charge on long journeys? Will I get stranded? MG, being a pioneer in customer service, has end-to-end solutions for these concerns. ZS EV runs on heavy-duty rechargeable batteries that have been rigorously tested in various Indian climatic conditions. And that is why we are confident on the robust battery quality and the range. However, charging these batteries is an important aspect of EV ownership. Let's understand how we can charge ZS EV's batteries. Do you know that charging the ZS EV is as easy as your mobile? Just plug in and let the charger do the rest. Easy, isn't it? When fully charged, ZS EV can give you a range between 300 to 400 kilometers. Consider an average drive range of 60 kilometers per day. The ZS EV would require charging only once in 5 days. MG offers a 5-way charging ecosystem for the ZS EV customers. The ZS EV comes with an AC fast charger of 7.4 kilowatt, which takes around 6 to 8 hours for 80% charge. These chargers can be installed in your homes or office by eCharge Bays in collaboration with MG. An onboard charging cable comes with the ZS EV, connected to any 13-ampere electric socket, and the ZS EV charges its battery by 80% in 16 to 18 hours. Here is the bonus. Both the AC fast charger and the onboard charging cable come free of cost with the ZS EV. Yet another source of charging is the AC fast chargers at select dealers, satellite towns, and key routes in the city. These charging stations are available across the country in cities like Delhi NCR, Mumbai, Bengaluru, Hyderabad, Ahmedabad, Nagpur, Cochin and Agra, and ever-growing in North, West and South zones. High-voltage DC chargers of 50 and 60 kilowatt in collaboration with Fortum and Tata Power are installed at select MG dealerships across India, along with many public charging locations, and the numbers are growing steadily. You can charge your ZS EV by 80% in just under 50 minutes. That's just the amount of time for a coffee break during your trip. Remember we had talked of the fear of battery drain during long drive? ZS EV can also be charged on the go. Just call MG Roadside Assistance and they will reach with a mobile charging support van that's available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. In 30 minutes at a charging rate of 5 kilowatt per hour, you get a drivable range of 25 to 30 kilometers, sufficient to take you to the nearest fast charging station. Let us tell you some interesting fun facts. Autocar took the ZS EV for the One Charge Challenge, driving the ZS EV for 563 kilometers on one single charge from Gurugram to Udaipur. This not only set a new record but also showed the real prowess of the ZS EV. Motor Octane took the ZS EV for a drive, creating a record for longest distance travelled in EV by covering over 1,500 kilometers from Mumbai to Delhi in just 49 hours, thus earning a spot in Asia Book of Records and India Book of Records. And that's the true potential of the ZS EV. Now, isn't that interesting? The EV ecosystem has massive support from the Government of India. The government is working fast to have public charging stations at every 3 kilometers. Let's now revisit our anxiety and see if we've addressed all concerns. So go ahead, put all your worries to rest, move ahead of the herd and change what you can. In the next video, we will talk about EV battery afterlife and recycling.